Yeah, exactly. So they're going to have some bad weather there.
Yeah, they are. They're going to have damaging winds, pancakes, king cake, and also a lot of rain. So severe weather already being sparked up by this storm system. So yes, this storm system is going to impact a lot of festivities going on with Mardi Gras and Fat Tuesday. So listen, I'm not a Mardi Gras kind of girl. I didn't know. But anyways, happy Fat Tuesday to you. We do see, if that's what you say, right? We do see that this storm system will travel more eastward. Right now it's in Texas. It's impacting them with strong storms. These strong storms then will continue to travel over to Louisiana, and they actually make their way to us in the state of Florida. So we're connecting it. Comes all full circle here, folks. This storm system will come through and it is going to shake up the pattern. But for right now, we're really only worried about the severe weather in Louisiana. For us today, we're in the clear. The storm system hasn't arrived quite yet. So we're going to be warmer today for sure. 57 for Crystal River, 65 for Tampa, and 62 for Port Manatee. Over the next 12 hours, we see those temperatures go up to the 80s, and we got a lot of sunshine. But tomorrow, here's where the problems start. 9 to 3 p.m. That is where we're going to have this line of strong storms that'll be rolling through, tracking it out for you. Take a look at future radar. So we do see on Futurecast right at 9:30 that these storms, the line right here, that cold front is on our doorstep. Then by the time we hit about 11, that's when we start to see our northern counties be impacted, and downtown Tampa and downtown St. Pete, because this thing's coming in from the northwest, it'll push southeast, and realistically downtown Tampa and downtown St. Pete ironically get hit at the same time, 12:30 to 1 o'clock. So I would pack your lunch for tomorrow. Make sure the kids have a good lunch packed, or hopefully they're eating inside. I think recess will probably be spent indoors. Sorry for all the storm activity, but it'll be out of here just as fast. Look at 2:30, already seeing some improvements. We'll have some leftover cloud cover, but get outside today and enjoy it, because we do have to see these storms roll through. It'll be overcast, but then I would say right around 6 o'clock, things really rapidly improve. Those skies will clear into the late evening hours. Wednesday, we return to normal. Conditions will improve late Wednesday into Thursday. So don't worry, recapping for you the weather impact. When? Well, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. for tomorrow, Wednesday. It's going to rain. Don't say I didn't told you so. I told you right here, right now. Wednesday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. That's when we're going to see a line of strong storms and damaging winds as well. So please be careful, and the threat for severe weather. So please be careful driving. Look at the severe weather threat. It's there. It's a level 1, a marginal risk out of 5. And we do see that we get a good sizable amount of rain chances that lead to us racking up anywhere between 1 to even 2 inches of rainfall widespread. That could lead to some localized flooding, but it helps us out with the drought. So today, dry and calm. Tomorrow, you need that umbrella. Sarah? Check your flights, because I got stuck in Fort Lauderdale. Not too fun, but made the best of it, of course. And that was with Silver too. So double check the boards. We shouldn't see any major delays because of weather today for travel, but we do see this, a major warm up. It's going to be so much warmer today than it just was yesterday. So make sure you're staying hydrated, and we do have storms and a weather impact alert day coming. I'll show you exactly what you can expect. With a delay, cancellation. But you know, I really don't learn, because I still see those really cheap
prices. I know, the nice prices,
right?
They lure you in.
But they get you on those carry-on bags, though, too. It's what always drives the price back up.
You have to pay to breathe on the flight.
Yeah, right?
Yes, exactly.
Pay us.
Yeah, pay it up. Cough it up over here, folks. Yeah, they better be coughing me up a refund pretty soon. I'm going to be calling you guys after the show ends, because we did see that cancellation. Not because of weather. Obviously, today we could see some cancellations, though, in other portions of the country because of this storm system. And we may get some of those cancellations or delays because of weather here tomorrow, because we'll see this storm system not only impacts portions of Texas, it'll move into Louisiana. So for Fat Tuesday, of course, tying it all together, they could see some impacts and realistically have some cancellations of those festivities. I know that is definitely already in the works. And then by the time we hit Wednesday, especially throughout 9:30, that is when things are going to really start to change for us. Live look at where the storm system is right now, already producing some severe weather. We do have a low end risk of that happening here. Most of the severe weather, though, will stay far away from us, thankfully. Temperature-wise, we're much warmer today out ahead of this next storm system. We're warming up. 65 right now for St. Pete, 61 for Lakewood Ranch, and 59 for Crystal River. We see over the next 12 hours, surprise, surprise, not. We are going to get temperatures back into the 80s with a good amount of sunshine in here. So have that in mind. Look at this. We're at 82 for Crystal River, 82 for Apollo Beach, and 81 for Bradenton. Let's talk about that weather impact alert, though. The weather impact alert is going to be from tomorrow, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So please be careful. Here are the major key things to know. The when, 9 to 3. Okay, so some of the later commuting times in the morning and early afternoon commutes. And then I would go ahead and just pack your lunch tomorrow so you can avoid it. And I think recess for the kids will be indoors tomorrow because of the heavy rain, damaging and gusty winds. We also could see a slight threat, very small, and chance for a few water spouts or isolated tornadoes. Not very many. So just make sure you're staying weather aware. Download our app both on your phone and also on your Roku or Fire Stick TV. So that way you can stream us and stream live radar all the time. We are with you everywhere 24/7 on streaming. Futurecast showing us that we do have this line of storms. This is it, our cold front that's going to come and shake up the pattern. They move in right around 9-10 o'clock to our northern zones between about 9 to 11, I would say. And then a general range. Downtown St. Pete and downtown Tampa are going to be hit at the same time right around 12:30. So that's why I say pack that lunch. It's going to continue to slide more inland by 2 o'clock. And look at this. Things are already wrapping up with the storm and rain activity pushing down to southwest Florida by 4:30, and by 8 o'clock tonight, or excuse me, 8 o'clock Wednesday, it'll be much better. Thursday looking drier, so we do have that low end risk, level 1 out of 5 for severe weather. But hey, this is going to help our drought out a lot, having all this rainfall. 7-day forecast showing us high of 81 today, lots of sunshine, 80% chance of rain with that weather impact alert from the front. And we got to remember to turn those clocks forward, Sarah.
Not looking forward.